Do you know what are the steps that are involved in a typical loan process? Number one, first of all, the loan need have to be understood. Number two, the financials of the borrowers will be analyzed to understand what is the financial position, what is their operational efficiency. Number three, the borrower's repayment capacity have to be assessed. If it is for term loan, whether the borrower is having DSCR. If it is for working capital, whether the cash flows will support the servicing of interest, whether it will support the renewal of the credit facilities, that have to be seen. Number four is security. There will be a requirement for primary security and collateral security. Primary securities will be those securities that are created out of the credit facilities itself, and collaterals or additional securities that are given as a backup. Number five is risk angle. All the risk angles have to be seen, the credit risk and all the interconnected risk. Number six is compliance. Compliance for the bank, compliance for that borrower. Both have to be analyzed. Number seven is powers of the sanctioning authority. Whether that particular sanctioning authority is having enough discretion to sanction the requested loan amount. If all these are okay, then a loan will be typically sanctioned and it will be followed by documentation and disbursement process. Wish to learn more? Follow this channel.